Welcome to the project demonstration of temperature based gate opening and closing system. So here the main purpose of this project is we are going to detect the person with the help of IR sensor, and at the same time we are going to measure the temperature of the person, and then if the temperature is within the limits, it should be below 100 Fahrenheit, then automatically Raspberry Pi Zero will take action to open this gate, and after 4 seconds it will closed with help of L293D motor driver. And also we are going to intimate the same thing through the green light indication, LED indication here. And also if the temperature is above 100 degree Fahrenheit, then automatically the buzzer will be on, as well as red light will be indicated for a visual indication, and also will display on the LCD screen the temperature is indicated here. And here the connections are LCD interface rates 5, 6, 13, 19, 18, 17 pins of the Pi Zero W. So wireless inbuilt, and L293D interface at the 23 and 24, and LED indicator 4th pin, and as well as the temperature sensor interface at 2 and 3. These are the inbuilt I2C protocol pins, SDA SEL pins. And next buzzer interface at the 4th pin parallelly, and 18th pin for the green LED. So the DC motor interface through the L293D motor driver, which is a dual H bridge. We can control a DC motor in bidirectional simultaneously with help of one L293D motor driver. So after switching on the kit, so the buzzer will be on continuously, so that just you can remove this, and after when we see the welcome message on the screen, then we can connect the buzzer, reconnect back. So it will take around of 20 to 30 seconds for the booting. Okay, once the booting was done, then it will display the welcome message on the LCD screen and continuously monitor the temperature along with IR sensor. So whenever the IR sensor detects the obstacle or any hand, so then automatically, right, we can see that. And now you can reconnect the buzzer back. So whenever a person entered here, so by showing hand, now right, we need to connect this battery also. Actually we need to reconnect the buzzer as well as battery. This is very important. And let the gate close. So once you see the welcome message, then connect the battery as well as buzzer back. And now, right, so my temperature is within the limit, then the gate will be opened, and after 4 seconds of duration, then it will be back to the initial position. Right. Okay, so if the heavy temperature is there, further I am making use of a soldering iron. So now if I place the obstacle, then it will display that high temperature. Right. So the temperature sensor should detect the object initially, and when it is more temperature, then place that. So you can see that high temperature and buzzer will be on continuously. So when it is normal condition, same thing, it works normally. Open the gates and close the gate back. So the total program was written in the Python language, which is the inbuilt IDE software for the Pi Zero. Right. And also, and after the total execution of the project, please disconnect the battery, otherwise it will discharge unnecessarily. And if you want, you can remove the buzzer also. The only important thing is when you switch on the kit, you should place the battery and the buzzer back. You should check that before executing. Thank you.